Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the Big Spirit Energy YouTube channel with your girl, Miss Spirit. And today I'm doing a Spirit Loves Lots hair tutorial. I have been pressed for Bantu knots, and the last time I did them, they completely failed because I didn't leave them in long enough. So now I'm here. I just washed my edges, which I think is really important when you want them to lay down flat. And I just washed my edges, so now I'm about to take my hair out of this ponytail. My hair has been in this ponytail for the last 3 days. It's just not a good video. Okay, I'm gonna do my best to get through this video. I'm just a little annoyed. It's time for Spirited Sundays. I wanna do my hair, and I could not get the lighting to be how I want it to be, so we are just going to accept it as it is. I'm gonna tell you what I'm using to put my hair in Bantu knots, and I'm gonna shut my mouth and just do it, okay? Spirit Loves Lots Rosewater to refresh and spray the hair. I'm going to be using Jane Carter's Wrap and Roll in order to put the Bantu knots into my head. On the front part of my hair where I want it to stay smooth, I'll use my gel by Joie, and I'll use some rubber bands to tie it all together. All right? When I do my hair, I usually leave a style in for at least 2 to 3 days. So that's what's up with this bun. It's just so that my hair is not always being manipulated. It can rest. So it might have got styled, but then it stays in that same position, just so it can just chill and not have me bother it all the time. So when it comes to a style like Bantu knots, the best thing that you can do for your hair is make sure that it's damp, because that's going to help the curls to hold better. So today I'm doing extra large Bantu knots because I just want curls that are big at the bottom but not so much at the top of my hair. So now I'm just going to smooth in the leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to keep using that throughout this process because I want the hair to be damp so that in 2 days I have big curls.
music.